Google Cloud Digital Leader Certification. Your team created a machine learning model for a customer. The test results show high predictive capability. The model is deployed in production. However, the predictions in production are significantly inaccurate. What is the problem and how can you resolve it? A. The model is overfitted. Enhance the model by incorporating more features. B. The model is underfitted. Train with reduced data. C. The model is satisfactory as the test results are good. Adjust the production incoming data. D. The model is overfitted. Train with additional data. Correct answer. D. The model is overfitted. Train with additional data. Explanation. If our ML model performs better on the training set than on the production set, it indicates that we may be overfitting. Increasing the amount of training data can help alleviate this issue. It is impossible to fix real-world production data. When the predictions are incorrect, it is highly probable that the model itself is flawed. The inclusion of additional features in a model further exacerbates overfitting. Keywords. Test results show high predictive capability. Highlights the apparent success of the model during the testing phase. Predictions in production are significantly inaccurate. Identifies the problem, a discrepancy between testing and real-world application. Subscribe and follow us.